Hi traders, welcome to my channel Cora Trade. Healthcare has been a focus area for the government aims to achieve the target of spending 2.5% of the GDP in healthcare by 2025. Government focused on one slogan, Healthcare for all, in the interim budget also. Along with government focus, various other factors also in favor of the healthcare players. Lifestyle related illness, higher insurance penetration, and increasing in income levels, these are lead to demand for quality health services for Indians. So, I think private healthcare providers with their expansion plans further, they have a lot of opportunity to grow in these favorable conditions. In this context, I will bring you Rainbow Children Hospital as frontline healthcare service provider. Present market price is 1300 rupees and market cap is 13,200 crores. It is the largest children hospital in terms of bed capacity, increased from 50 bed single hospital in 1999 to 1935 beds as of now. Rainbow offerings a wide range of paediatric services in the country in a high number of cases. Its average revenue per occupied bed is 55,800 rupees in FY24, growing 14% year on year. Revenue and net profit increased 10% and 3% year on year. Rainbow plans to add 660 beds in the next 3 years by increasing 35% of its capacity. This capacity should help in volumes and occupancy in the coming years. Gynecology segment also continues to grow well, driven by the higher occurrences of fertility complications and strong growth in reproductive technology. Management also plans to add IVF services to all existing upcoming hospitals. This will help in increasing in profitability. High number of working women expecting more insurance spends, rising middle to high income group, and also rising population prefer towards specialized maternity and child care services. These are the positive trends to Rainbow Hospital. Okay, coming to technical charts, 17% corrected from its all-time high price 1570. So now it is trading in reasonable valuations. Now it is in triangle consolidation. If breaks the triangle above 1350 level, then it is better entry in Rainbow Children Hospital for the target of 1700 level. Thank you.